After suffering a devastating 4-0 loss against Vitaly, Devon may be down, but he's not out. In the bus on his way to hotel room, Devon told Uncle Todd and John Brzenk that there is still a lot that can be worked on Vitaly left-handed. And he's still confident in their upcoming right-handed match. So Devon is not ready just yet to give up on his hopes on his left arm. So what's next for Devon? In this video, we will talk about only his left arm matches, the matches that he should be taking and the matches that he should be avoiding. We have to keep in mind that there was a time when Devon was getting pinned by Alex Cordecha a couple of dozen times before he could stop him. But when the actual match happened, Devon won 3-2. And then after that, when he really took arm wrestling on the left arm seriously, in just a couple of months' time, Devon destroyed Cordecha. So he went from getting flash pinned by Cordecha multiple times to absolutely stonewalling him in round 1. That's how much Devon really improved. So is it possible even against Vitaly? I would say no, because most of the newbie gains that Devon was experiencing, because he stopped training his left arm in the gym for 6 years, all of those gains or most of those gains are gone now. But still, if he can somehow make his left arm as strong as his right, obviously he can take down Vitaly Leletin. But as of now, this seems highly unlikely. And even if the opportunity presents itself, Devon should avoid the Vitaly Leletin rematch. So who are the potential opponents left for Devon? We have Alijan Muratov, Artyom Morozov, David Dadikian, Kamil Jablonski. All of these are amazing matches. Alijan has said that he will only arm wrestle Devon in the 115 kg category. And Devon has said that he will only cut weight if he loses to Vitaly on the right arm. Not on the left, on the right arm. Because then he wouldn't have the goal to become the number 1 by defeating Levan. So he can peacefully cut his weight down to 115 and maybe even 105 kilos. So as of today, the Alijan match doesn't make sense. Maybe it makes sense just a couple of months later if Vitaly defeats Devon on the right arm too. And even a David Dadikian left arm match can happen in the 115 kg category. Although Devon should get rid of this match in the super heavyweight division before he decides to cut weight to 115. Because in the supers, Devon will have a higher chance to defeat Dadikian. Then we have Artyom Morozov and the Kamil Jablonski rematch. By the way, all of these matches need to happen. And if Devon somehow climbs the ladder back up again, then he can go against Vitaly if he wants. Even though it's a possibility in my mind that both Alijan and Dadikian can actually defeat Morozov and Kamil, I would still advise Devon to initially avoid the Morozov and Kamil Jablonski matches. Kamil is getting more and more powerful every day. I don't think Devon is ready to hook Kamil yet, and there is no way he can stop Kamil's flop press. And I think that the Morozov that stopped Vitaly round 1 is probably going to beat Devon even easier than what Vitaly did. So that match as of now should be out of question for Devon unless he believes Morozov is not 100%. He has not yet recovered fully. If I am Devon's advisor who helps him look at things from a non-emotional point of view, strictly profit point of view, I would advise him to go for Dadikian super heavyweight before he cuts weight, and then Alijan 115 kg, and then after that maybe a Dadikian 115 kg match if the super heavyweight match cannot happen, and then he should go for either Kamil or Morozov or maybe even Vitaly, who knows. But I'm really happy that Devon has decided to start competing left-handed, and I hope he keeps doing so, because there is only a limited amount of time for which you can train your single arm. And it's not like Devon's right arm is going to get 10% stronger from this point if he stops training the left and gives all resources, his time, his energy to the right arm. It's not going to happen. Devon is 51. It's a must for him that he competes both arms while his peak still lasts. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.